Believe it or not, but this game of chess between students isn't just fun and games. It's part of the high-quality instruction the school offers through the DYAD program. I talked to Llyod Sams, the DYAD chess consultant, and he explained how this game ties into what students are learning in the classroom.
Well, DYAD, of course, is a new a program that has been introduced through Mike Miles, our superintendent, for the new education system to help incorporate life skills for the students, more than just STEM and reading and writing. Real life skills such as chess help students learn patience, right? Analytical skills, thinking, higher order thinking skills, and management of time.
Yeah.
So these are life skills that they learn in a game, an ancient old game as old as chess, but it's still popular and the kids love it.
Chess, for example, which I did not know, has a lot to do with math. And I'm a math person, so as I've been sitting in on classes, watching, observing, it's amazing the cross-curricular connections that are being made in that chess class. And for my kids to get excited about that when some kids don't get excited about math. So it helps them to get more excited about learning math concepts and how that applies to chess. We want them to be able to take that with them when they leave here to go into high school. We have a chess tournament coming in May, so we're very excited about that.